If your summer were a garden, what would you actually harvest right now? Not your to do list, not the weeds of busyness. I mean, real proof that you grew this summer, even if it's just a tomato and a story. Today, we're hitting pause to name your season and help you capture one moment, just one, that matters before life speeds past it. I'm trusted tour guide Annie, your companion for meaningful life milestones. If someone you love graduated tomorrow, got married, or unfortunately passed away, would their story include you? Would they know what you felt, what you learned, or what you created this season? The Legacy Snapshot Worksheet helps you preserve the moment today, not someday, not too late, not lost forever. Here's what we'll do together today. Name your current season, walk through the 5 prompts in the Legacy Snapshot Worksheet, save or share what matters right now. Grab your Legacy Snapshot Worksheet at join.trustedtourguideannie.com. So life moves in seasons. August is often overlooked, but it's powerful. Ask, if this chapter had a name, what would it be? Example, pause and power up, harvest and hand off, roots before routes. That title becomes your lens. It's a sense of tone for your snapshot, like a mini chapter heading for your story. All right, all right. The Legacy Snapshot Worksheet has 5 powerful sections, intentionally simple and event driven. First section, anchor the moment. Where were you? What was the background? Colors, sounds, people. This plants the memory firmly. What it meant, meaning. What did the story teach you? Why does it stick? This is where memory becomes meaning. How you frame it is number 3. What's the headline? Keep it short. Call it something like Patience as Presence. Forward action. One small step. A voice memo, journal note, recipe bake. Less process, more personal. And pass it on. Who needs to hear or have this? A hard copy, text, a dinner, or with yourself later. Maybe your future self needs to have this story. One moment, one story, saved with intention. So once filled, treat it like it matters. Your legacy snapshot needs to be saved thoughtfully. Think about the name you're going to use. I'll put some samples in the comments. Back it up, drop it into your legacy vault or your digital time capsule. You can learn about those in my last session. Email it to yourself or someone you care about or your future self. Don't let this moment fade into the abyss. I'm going to kind of go off script here and I'm going to share that one of the things at our place was Christmas in July. And, we always do this little game that my friend came up with where we do pictures of people. And we have the reindeer games and we have reindeer teams and we do pictures of them. And, that's one of our ways to save a legacy moment, a legacy snapshot. And they're great and people love them and people love being involved and we love them. So again, don't let those precious moments fade. Your story, a single line, recipe memory, or a phrase may become someone else's compass someday. Save a moment. Don't chase a scale. You're not behind. You're becoming something. This worksheet is your pause with purpose. And by the way, no, you don't need to treat this like a year-long project like some platforms do. I'm looking at you, Storyworth, and others. Storyworth sends you weekly questions for 12 months, and many users quit early because it's just too much. The legacy snapshot we've developed is different, more like how you use our recipe tree, another one of our products. One recipe, one story, one moment, whenever it matters. Real legacy isn't about volume, it's about authenticity. Just take one snapshot today, and your story begins to breathe and live. One story, not the entire tapestry. You don't have to capture your entire life, just a transforming moment. Think of Carole King's lyrics. My life has been a tapestry of rich and royal hue. Life's tapestry has many threads. Capture one vivid section of it. That's enough to give someone, or your future self, a phrase to come back to. Grab your free Legacy Snapshot Worksheet at join.trustedtourguideannie.com. Yes, just one moment, one tool, one meaningful step towards preserving what matters. I'll be right here next Wisdom Wednesday to walk with you. So keep walking toward what matters.